I guarantee at some point we all think we found that perfect deal online. A brand new iPhone for half price, those designer shoes you've been dreaming of with an unbelievable discount. You click add to cart, heart's racing, only to realise it was all a lie. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of the profits from our organisation go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Online shopping is amazing, convenient, part of our daily lives. But with millions of websites out there, how do you know which ones are legitimate and which ones are just waiting to steal your money and your personal information? That's where we come in. In this video, we're going to arm you with the ultimate toolkit to spot a fake e-commerce website from a mile away. We'll show you simple, practical tips and tricks that even a beginner can use to shop safely and confidently online. No more falling for scams. By the end of this video, you'll be an expert at identifying those dodgy sites and keeping your hard-earned cash where it belongs, in your wallet. We'll cover everything from suspicious URLs to payment red flags. Let's dive in. Our first and perhaps most critical step, check the URL and domain name. This is often the biggest giveaway. Look up here in your browser's address bar. For a legitimate site you'll see a claimed professional domain name, for example amazon.co.uk or tesco.com. It used to be that you'd always see an HTTPS and a padlock icon in the address bar, but for whatever reason nowadays you need to dig a little deeper. Click on the address bar, then click it again. You'll see this info. You can also click on this icon here which will give you information about the site's security. Now this stuff means the site has an SSL certificate encrypting your data, and this is a good sign. And compare that to this. See how it's trying to mimic a well-known brand but with extra words, hyphens, a strange domain name like .xyz or .shop or .info. Huge red flag. They're trying to trick you. Always double check. Next, let's talk about the look and feel of the website. Legitimate businesses invest in professional web design. Fake sites, not so much. Look for things like low resolution images, inconsistent fonts, broken links, buttons that don't work. It often looks rushed and unprofessional. And pay close attention to the language. Poor grammar, misspellings, awkward phrasing throughout the site are classic signs of a scam. Big companies hire professional copywriters, scammers don't. If it looks cheap, it probably is, and it might be trying to make you cheap too. A legitimate business wants you to be able to reach them, so check for contact information. Look for a clear Contact Us page. Does it have a physical address, a working phone number, and a professional email address, not just a generic Gmail or Hotmail address? Fake sites often have no contact info at all, or maybe just a very vague form. If they do have an address, try doing a quick Google search. Does it actually exist? Is it a vacant lot or a random house? Scammers often use made-up addresses or locations far removed from their supposed operations. Have you ever heard of that North Sentinel Island? It's this remote island in the Bay of Bengal, populated by this one tribe who have no contact with the outside world and it's strictly forbidden to travel to. Well, what I'm saying is, if you're buying an air fryer from there, maybe start asking questions. Scammers lure you in with ridiculously low prices on high demand items. While sales exist, be realistic about it. No reputable store is going to be selling the latest iPhone for 80% off, especially when it's a new release. Also, watch out for high pressure sales tactics. Only 2 left at this price, or sale ends in 10 minutes. These are common, but fake sites often use them excessively to rush you into a purchase without thinking. Take a deep breath. A legitimate deal will still be a good deal if you take a moment to verify the site. Also, if there's a deal ending in 10 minutes, we'll just check again in half an hour. If it's still ending in 10 minutes, you'll know it's pretty suspicious. And I'm not perfect. I've personally been fooled by fake websites before. Like a lot of people, I think the prices of football tops are completely ridiculous, and in 2010 I was a fan of the Germany football team, one of the only good things about that World Cup, and I liked their home top. I saw it online for £10 and £20, it's too good to ignore, so I paid my money, and of course the shirt never arrived. But I was one of the lucky ones, at least it didn't bankrupt me after taking my card details. Cause see, back then we didn't have OneConnect. If you want personal help with this kind of thing, head over to the OneConnect website. If you're on the other side of the coin and you want to build a reputable website, well, we do that too. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on the website. Do you need help boosting your digital skills and growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalised support. Check out our website in the description below. This is where they aim to get your money. Be extremely cautious about payment methods. Legitimate sites offer secure payment options like major credit cards, PayPal, or trusted digital wallets. Look for clear logos and secure gateways. Fake sites often insist on unusual payment methods, direct bank transfers, wire transfers, cryptocurrency, gift cards. These are almost impossible to trace once the money is gone. Never, ever use these for an unknown seller. And another red flag. If during checkout you're suddenly redirected to a completely different, suspicious looking website to process the payment, major alarm bell. Always make sure the URL remains consistent and secure throughout your transaction. Finally, do a quick background check. Google the website name along with terms like reviews, scam, legitimacy. Often, other victims will have posted warnings. Check a trusted review site like Trustpilot. Somewhere like Reddit is also very good for real life experiences. Also check the shop's social media presence. Do they have active, engaging social media accounts with real followers and interactions? Or are they brand new with suspiciously few followers or very generic posts? A strong, legitimate brand usually has a consistent online presence. So, to recap our essential tips for spotting a fake e-commerce website. Number 1, check the URL. Look for HTTPS and a legitimate domain name. 2, check design and grammar. An unprofessional look and typos are huge red flags. 3, verify contact info. Legitimate businesses provide clear ways to reach them. 4, be wary of unbelievable prices. If it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true. 5, stick to secure payment methods. Avoid wire transfers or gift cards for unknown sellers. And as a bonus point, Google reviews and socials. See what others are saying. Remember, a moment of caution can save you a lot of headache and money. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. There are plenty of legitimate deals out there, so don't let the scammers win. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more online safety tips, and share it with anyone you know who shops online. Let's help everyone shop smarter and safer. And once you've done that, why not get in touch with our team for personalised support? Check our website in the description below. We've got free and paid online courses. You can learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. See you next time and stay safe online.